Hey everyone, and welcome to your 2026 crash course on domain hosting. If you've ever wanted to build a website but got totally lost in all the tech jargon, you're in the right place. Today, we're cutting through the confusion and breaking down everything you need to know, from beginner to pro, in just 5 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, what exactly are domains and hosting? Think of it like this. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet. Like my.com. It's how people find you. Hosting, on the other hand, is the actual land where you build your house. It's the physical server space you rent to store all your website's files, images, and content. You need both to have a live website. The domain is the address, and hosting is the home. Simple, right? Now, let's talk about choosing the perfect domain name. This is super important for your brand. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Try to use keywords related to your business or topic. For example, if you're a baker in Boston, something like bostonbest.com is much better than BOBS. Super great website 123.com. And always aim for a com extension if you canites the most recognized and trusted. If it's taken, you can consider other options like net, co, or even newer ones like store or blog, depending on your niche. Once you have your domain name, it's time to pick a hosting plan. You'll see a few main types. Shared hosting is the most popular and affordable option for beginners. You share server resources with other websites, like living in an apartment building. It's perfect for new blogs, portfolios, or small business sites. As your website grows and gets more visitors, you might need to upgrade. A VPS or virtual private server is the next step up. It's like owning a condo in that apartment building. You still share the main server, but you have your own dedicated section with guaranteed resources. This means better performance and more control. Finally, for the big players with huge traffic, there's dedicated hosting. This is like owning the entire house. You get a whole server all to yourself. It offers the best performance, security, and flexibility, but it's also the most expensive. Most of you won't need this starting out, but it's good to know it's there for when you hit the big time. So, how do you put it all together? It's easier than you think. Most hosting providers, like Bluehost SiteGround or Hostinger, make it incredibly simple. You can usually buy your domain name and hosting plan in one go. During the sign-up process, you'll just search for your desired domain, select a hosting package, and follow the on-screen instructions. Many even offer a free domain for the first year with their hosting plans. Plus, they often have one-click installers for platforms like WordPress, so you can get your site up and running in minutes without touching a single line of code. And that's it. Your 2026 guide to domain hosting. You now know the difference between a domain and hosting, how to choose a great name, and which type of hosting is right for you. It's not so scary. Once you break it down, you're officially ready to take that first step and get your project online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple tech guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what your new website is about. See you in the next video.